So today we're opening up the Charizard EX Super Premium Collection box. Comes with a few cards. It's probably the most coolest one out of them all, I think, in my opinion. It comes with 10 packs and this cool little figure. So, I heard some bad reviews on this, and that's why I'm opening. Let's get into it here. Get these out first. Charmander out. I'm definitely gonna set that up, so. Let's open this box now. Screw up the card. Put it black. There we go. I believe it has a... No, it just felt weird right there for some reason. But pretty cool card. Put that right there. I'll show you guys the Charizard figure it came with. Little card holder. I think it's pretty cool. I don't have a card holder, so that's why I can open this box, because I want a card holder. Alright, let's put that right here. Let's open up this one, the Charmander promo. Check this out. Show y'all. Pretty nice promo card. Put that right there with the Charizard. Let's get these packs out. Came with some Twilight, Paradox Rift, Stellar Crown, Temple Forces, and some Obsidian Flames. Let's open up the second one. Another really cool promo. Put that right there. These out of the way. Some more packs. Obsidian Flames, Twilight, Paradox Rift, Stellar Crown, and some more Temple Forces. Okay, we're going to open up the Temple Forces first. I haven't opened these. Put here. Hulu, Beldum, Heatmar, Future Booster, Energy Capsule, Iron Hands, Rescue Board, Iron Valiant, Future, kind of a cool card. Cutie Fly, Make Rampa, Rampa Boss Deck, first one. Take that one. Alright, back to two. Cardinal, Lady, Batan, Oracle, Unpheasant, Simfers, Pelican, Wiglet, Leviathan, Further, and that's it. Alright, pack number 3, and we're going to Paradox. Nothing so far. Onyx, Tic-Tac, Tricat, Little, Claw, Orbeal, Ultra Escape, Mewtwo, Hollow, Ferroton, and Zekrom. Pack number 4. Nobody yet. Neolite, Mercurial, Swablu, Pinsir, Tessaguri, Rondazo, Tulip, Zebashrika, Apon. Ooh, Larry. Larry. That's a cool one. Put that over there. Put these over here. Alright, pack number 5, Stellar Crown. Eevee. Lokix, check it out. Cyclizar, Totoro, Gravity Gemstone, Palooza, Leechonk, Lapras, and Dreadnought. Pack number 6, Stellar Crown. Going through the pack like I forgot. Mewtwo, Melrunner, Squirtle, Cover Fossil, Crispin, Elephant, 0-0, Underdepths, Upper Robin, Root Fossil, and then Complain. Nothing for the Stellar Crown, Stellar Crown. Put that over there. Let me left one more, got 4 more. It's just some Obsidian Flames here. I haven't opened up these in a long time, so we're trying to get back into one. This is the Obsidian Flames. Alright, Woolitech, Audemars, Charmander, Katini, Salazzle, Ragnarok, Probos, Graveyard, Rowlet, and nothing. Just that Obsidian Flames. Oh, that Entei. Entei's so much. That's all I got on the Obsidian Flames packs is that Entei. Alright, so we got Litwick, Audemars, Charmander, Katini, Excadrill, Vegito, Dragonair, Lavesta, Arbok. Ooh, what is this guy? SQEX, this is a cool one. Nice. Alright, last 2 packs. Some Twilight. Get the Come on, please. See what we got. Litwick, Polizon, Timber, Spinner, Probos, Heracross, Bubble, Festival Grounds, Infinite. Ooh, a Pelican EX. Not bad. And the last pack. Litwick, Virginia, Polizon, Timber, Playground, Festival, Cook, Tindla, Corner, and Alakazam. That's a cool one. Cool. These were the best ones I thought out of the box. Super premium box. I would have to agree. I think it is kind of a bust, but we'll see. Thanks for watching. Peace.